Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today is Christmas Day, so it's Wednesday, December 25th. This is a very short video, not one of my typical videos either. So if you're very new to the channel, definitely subscribe for a lot more content. You can also look at previous videos if you're new to the channel. But this video really is a video just to wish all my viewers, my subscribers, just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, both to you and your family. I hope you guys have a joyous and a day full of blessing as well. And whatever you do, just take some time out of your day to spend with family and friends and other loved ones as well. So Merry Christmas to everyone that has ever visited the channel, the Rush More Review channel. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't exist. So just wishing you guys a Merry Christmas and also saying thanks for all the support you guys have given, whether it may be to share a video, whether it may be to comment on a video, like a video, or just watching a video. And for those who have subscribed to the channel as well, I really appreciate it. Really appreciate all the feedback, the comments, the suggestions, the constructive criticism as well. All that is important for a successful channel. So it's basically the end of another year, end of 2019, and we have watched, or we have done a lot of videos. You guys have watched a lot of videos, so thanks again. So going into 2020, a lot more to come on the channel, and I wish you guys a prosperous 2020, and whatever dreams and plans you guys have for 2020, I hope it definitely comes to fruition. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is a very short video, so I won't keep you guys long. So again, Merry Christmas to you all from Rush, from the Rush More Reviews channel. Hope you and your family have an awesome Christmas, and I wish for you a productive 2020, and whatever hopes and dreams you guys have, hope it definitely come true. And looking forward for you guys continued support in 2020 while we continue doing videos and go from strength to strength. So thanks again guys, thanks a lot.